Hi everyone. I wish I could be there with you all, but I'm sending lots of love from Lacey, Washington. For those who don't know me, probably because I've grown a lot, I'm Teddy, and Uncle Rafaele treated me as one of his grandchildren, and that definitely what it was like growing up around him. Every time I visited him in Antigala, he always made sure that I was full and never hungry. And he always told Antigala to go and buy me my favorite snacks and treats. And for sure, I didn't leave with an empty stomach. One of the things that I love about Uncle is his smile. He always had the biggest smile, and his smile made everyone happy and always made the day brighter each time. One of Uncle's habits is listening to Samoan music playing on the radio. When it's a nice day out or if there is no work to be done, he would turn on his radio and lie in his bed. Then suddenly, he reaches out to play with his cards or Pepa Pele. Sometimes he plays with Auntie at night, and sometimes he will play by himself. But one thing for sure is that there has to be radio music on. Another habit of Uncle's is that he would rather walk to church than catch a ride or go by car to church. And it's going to be hard returning home and seeing that the road from his house to church won't be the same without him. Not only that, he has the most beautiful voice there is, and you can recognize his voice from a mile away. During evening prayers, there were moments in which either Sa, Auntie, me, or anyone else are off-key singing before prayer. And while everyone is trying so hard not to laugh, Uncle would keep a straight face. Not even a blink or twitch could be seen, and he would just continue to keep singing while everyone else is trying not to laugh. He is one of those people who I never expected to leave so soon, and I'm so grateful to have known such a wonderful person. He doesn't talk much, but when he does, I can't seem to steer away from his voice, even though I have no idea what he's talking about sometimes. But for the most part, he is really funny, even when he teases Auntie sometimes. I know it won't be the same when returning home, but Auntie Carla, Sa, and everyone else, just know that Uncle Rafaele is a great example of humility and kindness, and he will be missed, but he will forever and always be remembered.